All right, those were my pumpkin crackers on my pizza pan. I have 2 sticks of melted butter. Next, I'm coming in with my light brown sugar, and we're gonna add 1/2 cup of light brown sugar right in there. And this is all in my pot at medium heat. All right, that looks like 1/2 cup to me. We're gonna go ahead and let that butter melt and get it well blended in with that brown sugar. And we're gonna let it melt and bubble over. All right, so it's starting to boil. We're gonna give it about 2 more minutes, and then we're gonna take it to our crackers. All right, this is ready to go right on top. And I did end up adding some foil underneath my crackers just to ensure nothing sticks. Oh my goodness, beautiful. We got all that out. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven at 375 for about 5 minutes. It's started to bubble even more. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my spatula and kind of tuck these into that delicious caramel we made. This is a fun and easy Halloween take on a classic. I love making this for every holiday, and those pumpkin crackers just make this even better. Now, while our caramel is still hot, I'm gonna grab my dark chocolate Hershey's, and I'm gonna add a nice little sprinkle on top of an entire pizza pan. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to dig into this. We're gonna get a salty, sweet treat that everyone will love. All right, so we did about 1 cup of our dark chocolate, and then I'm gonna switch things up. I'm gonna do 1 cup of my white chocolate with the dark chocolate, so we get a nice little marbling going on with our chocolates. They're gonna melt because our toffee is so hot, and then we can swirl them together to get a beautiful, fun, festive topping. All right, so that was about 1 cup of each. So now we're gonna let this sit until those chocolates are nice and melted. All right, our chocolate chips are starting to look shiny, which means they are melted. Come back in with our spatula and start blending these together. Like I said, I want a nice little marbling, so you kind of got to get creative when you are swirling this around. It looks like the white chocolate is taking longer to melt than the dark chocolate, but that's okay. We will improvise and make sure that everything gets covered. All right, so the marbling didn't really happen, but we'll still get that white chocolate taste in there because it got blended in. Now we're not done yet. We have to make this festive. Now you can make this for Thanksgiving or Halloween, but I'm making it for Halloween because it's a little bit closer. So I'm just gonna add some Halloween sprinkles, but if you're making it for Thanksgiving, you do some fun fall sprinkles. You could do some nuts, you could do some sea salt, you could do some of those Heath little bits. You could honestly do whatever topping you like, but I just think that a sprinkle is always fun, and it looks really, really festive.
It's making me hungry.
Oh yeah, I cannot wait to eat this. This is one of my favorite treats in the whole world. That's why I always make it, you guys. I know you probably have seen me make it before, but this time it's spooky. All right, this is gonna go in the fridge for a couple hours. Oh my, I cannot wait any longer. Our candy has firmed up, and now we can take it off of the pizza pan. And then now we have to pull off that foil super quick. All right, look at that. Just looks so good, huh?
Looks amazing.
Now we crack it apart. Oh, look at that. And then I have my ghost plate to present it. Oh my goodness. These look so good. Great for like a class Halloween party. Great for any Halloween party, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this small piece that I made for myself so we can give it a try. But I'm gonna be snacking on this all October long.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness.